Checking your NJ driver's license status online.
Hello and welcome to our video. Today, we are going to discuss the important information you need to check your New Jersey driver's license status online. Knowing how to check your license status is crucial, especially if you need to verify the expiration date, check for any points, or understand your eligibility to drive.
What do you need to know?
To check your NJ driver's license status online, you need to gather some important information first. The New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission, NJMVC, typically requires the following details. 1. Your driver's license number. This is a unique identifier for your license. It is generally found on the front of your physical license. 2. Your date of birth. This information helps the NJMVC to verify your identity. 3. Your Social Security number, SSN. This is another important identity verification measure. If you don't have an SSN, you may be required to provide other forms of identification. 4. Your eye color. This unusual detail is listed on your driver's license and helps the MVC confirm your identity.
How can you check your status?
After gathering the required information, you are ready to check your license status online. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to do it. 1. Go to the official website of the New Jersey Motor Vehicle Commission. 2. Look for the option that says, Check Driver's License Status, or similar. 3. Enter all the necessary information including your driver's license number, date of birth, social security number, and eye color. 4. Follow any additional instructions to complete the process and view your license status. Please note that the specific steps may vary slightly depending on updates to the MVC's online system. We hope this video has helped you understand what information you need to check your NJ driver's license status online. Remember, it's always good practice to periodically check your driving status to avoid any surprises or inconveniences. Thanks for watching, and safe driving.